DeepSeek launches as open-source AI powerhouse, challenging big tech dominance and accelerating global innovation. A new player has emerged in the artificial intelligence arena with the potential to reshape the industry's trajectory. DeepSeek, an open-source AI platform, debuted this week, offering cutting-edge machine learning tools freely accessible to developers worldwide. Its launch signals a pivotal shift in AI development, challenging the proprietary models of US tech giants while democratizing access to advanced technology. A move experts say could spur unprecedented innovation and pressure corporate heavyweights to adapt. DeepSeek R1 shows strong performance in mathematical reasoning tasks. In fact, it beats out OpenAI in key benchmarks. On AIME 2024, it scores 79.8%, slightly above OpenAI O11217 79.2%. This evaluates advanced multi-step mathematical reasoning. What is open source, and why does it matter? Unlike proprietary AI systems developed by companies like OpenAI, ChatGPT, or Google, Gemini, open-source software makes its underlying code publicly available. This allows anyone to inspect, modify, and distribute the technology without restrictive licensing fees. DeepSeek's decision to adopt this model breaks from the guarded, black box approach of major firms, fostering transparency and collaboration. Open source isn't just about sharing code, it's about sharing opportunity, said a DeepSeek spokesperson. We're empowering developers, startups, and even entire nations to build AI solutions tailored to their needs, not just Silicon Valley's profit margins. Disruption for big tech. The rise of DeepSeek poses a direct challenge to US tech leaders who have long dominated AI through vast resources and closed ecosystems. Companies like Meta, which released its partially open Llama models, now face pressure to fully embrace openness or risk losing developer mindshare. Analysts warn that DeepSeek's accessibility could undercut the market for paid AI APIs, slashing costs for startups and reducing dependency on giants like Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services. On Monday, the S&P 500 index fell 1.5%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped 3.1%. Nvidia was hit hard, plunging 16.9% and losing roughly $600 billion in market value. Falling tech stocks also dented market indexes in Europe and Japan. This all comes just at the moment that the US President Trump announces the Stargate project, a new company which intends to invest $500 billion over the next 4 years building new AI infrastructure for OpenAI in the United States. Another point is what happens to private data. However, the privacy policies of the big tech companies are more worrying. Big tech's moat is evaporating, noted AI industry analyst Clara Lin. DeepSeek enables smaller players to leapfrog traditional barriers, forcing incumbents to innovate faster or collaborate with the open-source community. Global ripples for AI development. DeepSeek's model is already accelerating projects in sectors from healthcare to climate science. Researchers in Kenya are adapting its algorithms to optimize crop yields, while a European nonprofit uses it to detect misinformation. By decentralizing AI development, the platform could also reduce geographic inequality in tech innovation, enabling countries without billion-dollar budgets to compete. However, risks remain. Open-source AI's accessibility raises concerns about misuse, such as deepfakes or autonomous weapons. DeepSeek's team acknowledges these challenges but emphasizes community-driven safeguards, including ethical use guidelines and tools to monitor malicious applications. The road ahead. As DeepSeek gains traction, its impact may redefine how AI evolves. Collaborative development could outpace closed labs, with global contributors iterating on models in real time. For big tech, the choice is stark: resist openness or embrace it. Some, like Google, have already begun open-sourcing components, signaling a potential industry shift. Meanwhile, policymakers grapple with regulating a democratized AI landscape. DeepSeek isn't just a tool, it's a movement, said Lin. Whether it leads to chaos or a golden age of innovation depends on how the world stewards this technology. One thing's certain, the AI race just got a lot more interesting. To help our channel grow, please comment, share, like and subscribe.